back, everybody. I'm Scott with Off-Grid Stoves and More, and I'm making this real quick clip just to let you guys know that we've had a couple of questions recently in regards to, do we accept trade-ins from old Austroflamms? What do you think? Yes, we do. Now, unfortunately, we've had individuals say, hey, I'd like to trade in my old Austroflamm for a new Rika. Well, unfortunately, many of you already realize that Rikas are no longer being imported. Austroflamm was made from the early 90s up to 2005, Rika's 2006 up to 2009. So they decided that they were gonna stop importing them, which was a very sad day. But hey, let me give you some good news. You can take your old broken down Austroflamm, barn finds, even a stove that's been sitting outside for who knows how long, that's just a rust bucket. I'll buy it from you due to the fact that I can take a barn find and I can turn it into a gorgeous unit that represents a brand new unit. The brand new Austroflamm units normally go for, brand new refurbished that is, goes for around $29.95, okay? And I can tell you we give a 3-year warranty on all of our stoves, which is the best warranty that you're gonna find out of any pellet stove out there. I guarantee it. Why do we give a 3-year warranty? Because we work on them, we build them, we know the quality of the parts that goes into them and how long that they last. We are going to start making videos on the Rika 2 due to the fact that we finally got somebody that traded one into us, and we are going to keep it in order to make all of the videos like we are doing with the Austroflamm Integra. Okay, so you guys hit that like and subscribe button so that you can see all those videos. Hopefully those of you that have been watching us over the years have gained confidence in us that we're here to help you and make sure that you keep that stove burning, especially in the winter months when the snowflakes are falling, the rain's pouring down. That stove stops running, mama becomes unhappy. We're here to make sure that mama stays happy. All right, you guys stay safe out there.